Welcome guys, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about Nodepay Airdrop, which is a part of the DePIN Airdrop, DEPIN airdrops that has been flying around, and it is similar to grass. For every other person who mined grass, this is similar to it, and I'm also going to show you how you can be able to do it here on PC first. So this is a PC version. I'm also going to drop the video on mobile version so you can be able to farm them both. So firstly, what is this DePIN airdrop, which is the new trend, not just about ton airdrop? Okay, so following the success of grass, which is currently at its season 2, the DePIN airdrops is part of a decentralized physical infrastructure network that uses blockchain and token reward to decentralize infrastructure in the real world, where human beings contribute. And this thing basically is just like a use case whereby the things used in developing the cryptocurrency is used to be able to build something in the real life project. So that's basically what the thing is able to talk about. So in this tutorial, I'm also going to show you every single thing about Nodepay and how you can be able to farm it on your PC. So if you are using a PC laptop, this is actually for you, but I'm going to drop the video on how you can be able to farm Nodepay on your mobile phone, okay? On how you are going to farm Nodepay on mobile phone. So the airdrop is going to be listed out on probably on November. That's the hype of the airdrop, and there have been currently a lot of hype in terms of users paying it because of the way grass did. That's the success of grass. Okay, so without further wasting time, let's just jump right into it and show you how you can be able to play it. It's a little bit different from the normal airdrops that we know. So I'm going to draw the link in the description there. You can be able to use it, as well as the referral code that I'm going to drop. So the first thing that you're going to do is to register your on the Nodepay app. That's the first link that you're going to see. You should have to register with it with your email address, okay? With your email address. So use a valid email address that you feel like and be able to register with it. So as you can see, I've been able to add all my details here. Then also use the referral code that is on the link in the description to be able to sign up. Then you verify by clicking that you are a human, then register. Okay, then register. So you have successfully registered. That's the first prompt. So you press back at the login. So you log in again, then press access my account. Okay, so access to my account. Then afterwards, you wait for it to be able to load. Then these are the points. Okay, so limited time offer for you to be able to find them. Then okay, so I can just say I'll close it for now, for the time being. So this is like actually a new account. Okay, so I just did it for the tutorial. So once you are here, the first thing that you need to be able to do is to open the Nodepay app on the Chrome extension. I'm using Chrome as my browser, as you can see right here. So you have to open it on Chrome extension. Okay, so on Chrome extension. So I'm going to drop the link in the description. That's the second link. You have to click it and install the Chrome extension. If you click the Chrome link or the Chrome extension link, it will lead you to this on Chrome browser. That's the Chrome extension. All you need to do is to add to Chrome here. Then it will add you add Node extension to your Chrome browser. You press add extension. That's every single thing about using a PC right now. You add Chrome extension, then it will speedily download. As you can see on top here, it will speedily download. So once it has downloaded, the next thing that you have to do, okay, once it has downloaded, which is here, the next thing that you have to do is to, yeah, okay, it has downloaded for me here. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is to add the Chrome extension. Okay, so you can go to extension bar, manage extensions here, Nodepay, then you toggle it on. As you can see right here, it is now toggled on. Then from the extensions bar, which is the one that you are using, you're already connected. Okay, you're already connected into it. Then anytime that you want to do any single thing concerning it, the one that you should be going to is the ones on the extension. That's your Nodepay that is on extension. Let's say I pinned it here. So if I want to do anything, I'll click on it. That's the one that I should do. Then it is not yet activated. Okay, you must have to activate it, the one on the extension, because the one on the extension can be able to track all your daily activities as well as your daily mining. Make sure it's the one on the extension and not the one here on the browser that you're already seeing. So I press activate. Okay, I'll press activate. Then you can be able to start earning from it after a successful referral. That's what it will tell you. Then as you can see it right here, it has already activated. That's the green button. So you can open your dashboard from there. So every single thing you are doing will be the one on the extension. So I've activated it and I'm going to be opening it now. So it has now opened. The first thing that you need to do is to watch your taskbar. If you want to read the Node blog, that's Nodepay blog, and learn how to optimize your experience, you can go and read it. If not, you can, let's say I will just click on it. Then the next thing is the dashboard. Okay, so 0 referrals, you can copy your referral link. Then network earning rate, this is it. That's my IP address, so it's connected. My total earnings today is 0.1. That is still going. Then my earning statistics has not made because I just created it for the purpose of this video. Then the missions that I have, these are the missions, but I'm coming to it later. Then this is my network. So it is that particular one that I connected here on top of my Nodepay extension. That is what is showing. Okay, that is what is showing. It's already activated. Okay, that is what is showing here. So that is like the activated account. So in as much as you have activated it on Chrome browser, you can also activate it on your phone, which is what we are going to do. I'm going to show you how to be able to activate it on your mobile phone. Then afterwards, after we have done with the dashboard part, the next thing is the referral program. So you click on the referral program. So this is the referral program here. So every single thing concerning it about the referral program, in the sense that you can be able to use your referral, someone's referral link, and be able to join. So they currently do not have any campaign at the moment, but you can still be able to do it. So that is like for every single thing there on the referral program. You can just copy your invite link or share it on Twitter so that every other person can be able to use. Then after that is missions and rewards. So missions is like the same way that you have your daily task that you are doing. So overall missions here and my rewards, I have 0, 0. This is a new account again. Then your daily treasure claim is like 100 node coins. Okay, 100 node coins. So I can restart my streak here if I want. Then this other one. So I'll just claim my first daily reward there and just press done. Okay, I've just claimed my first daily streak. So the next daily bonus will be in 7 days time after the check. So that's like the first thing. Then afterwards, so network connection missions. So you can be able to 24-hour connection. That is, if you want to stay there for 24 hours completely, then your referral connections that successfully invite one user, pro referral, that's 10 users, and so on and so forth. Then after that, the social engagement missions, they are grouped into several parts. The referral part, which is the referral mission, then network connection missions. Then the social engagement mission is to connect your Discord. So Discord, look at how my Discord is. This is my Discord account. Okay, I have a Discord account where I post my images, although it's on PC, so it's a little bit crowded, as you can see. Okay, so if you don't have a Discord, you have to create an account on Discord on Play Store. Download the app on Play Store if you're using mobile, or you can be able to just sign up on their official website. That's discord.com. Discord. I'll put the link in the description if you want to. Discord.com. It's a social media app where you can be able to, like, very good social media app. So this is Discord that you need to sign up for, because some people may or may not know what Discord is or haven't even had an account on Discord. Okay, so this is Discord as a social media app. Where this is the app that they tell you to do, not just Telegram anymore. So this is what they need you to do. So you just sign up on the official website discord.com, sign up, or you download the app on Play Store and use it to connect your Nodepay account. Okay, so you need it to connect your Nodepay account. That's every single thing about the missions, the social engagement. Then the next one is to connect your Twitter accounts. So connect your Twitter accounts here. Very easy. Then verify your email address. Send a verification link to your email address and follow Nodepay on X. Then join Nodepay on Discord. So the knowledge-based knowledge quest is where you can be able to follow this and accomplish while answering the questions there. So self-explanatory, nothing too much there. Then after that, the earning section. There's nothing left much on the earning parts. Boosts, medal boosts. So referral boost campaigns, it's just like their campaigns that they have. Then if you get any, you can be able to add it to your collection or sort of the like achievements that you have gotten. Then your transaction history, if there's any transaction that you have made during the time. Okay, so this is just my first transaction ID, which is like my point. That's my tax collected, is part of the transaction. So claiming a point is also a transaction too. So those are the things about Nodepay Airdrop that you should be doing. You just be logging in every day that you are claiming. So my daily treasure ends in 9 hours time. That's what it's showing. So that's my dashboard, and you just be using it to be able to do Nodepay Airdrop. So it's a very good airdrop, similar to Grass, and will definitely yield a potential profit since it's DePIN Airdrop. So that's every single thing about Nodepay. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.